Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel because we have got a lot of interesting videos upcoming. So I'm back with another review and this time it is Magic Bookifier. If you are a writer or if you have written some books, you would know that at some point when you are writing, you are sure to face writer's block, which means you are going to get stuck in the writing process. You have written some words, some sentences, but then you are simply stuck. You cannot find anything else to write. So these are the types of situations when Magic Bookifier will come in super handy. You just have to provide a short transcript of your writing, of your topic, and Magic Bookifier will write an entire book for you, which is simply amazing. For example, you can see that this is a very short transcript, but from this transcript, Magic Bookifier has generated this output. And as you can see, compared to this transcript, this output is way more comprehensive. And on the bottom, as you can see, Magic Bookifier reorganizes rambling thoughts, elaborates, retains data, and supports your thesis, which means when you are facing writer's block and you cannot write in an organized way, that is exactly where Magic Bookifier will help you by organizing your thoughts and elaborating on your data. A great news is Magic Bookifier is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $29, you can get lifetime access to Magic Bookifier, and with this deal you can save $318. Magic Bookifier is an alternative to Copy.ai, Jasper, Write Every Day, and you might ask that what makes Magic Bookifier different from other free tools like ChatGPT. So let me show you that. As you can see, this is an answer provided by the creator of Magic Bookifier. So in this answer, he has talked about how Magic Bookifier is different from other AI writing tools. For example, ChatGPT. Magic Bookifier is different and it is dedicated to creating ebooks because it was trained to do so. As you can see, it has received proprietary training, cognitive programming, algorithmic programming, and specific style guides. And on the next section, you can see that they have programmed the model or the Magic Bookifier to take similar steps to what a human would rather than just ask for a raw output. So from this answer, it is clear that Magic Bookifier is very different from ChatGPT because it was solely trained for writing book, which means while writing a book, you are going to get way better output on Magic Bookifier than any other AI tool such as ChatGPT. So these are the features that you will get from Appsumo. So the starter plan costs $29 with 100 monthly credits, which means 60,000 words per month. The creator plan costs $58 with 200 credits per month, and the business plan costs $87 with 500 credits. There is also another plan which is agency. It costs $116 with $1,250. Magic Bookifier is also available on a subscription plan. So in the yearly plan, the starter costs $29 USD, the basic costs $49 USD, and the pro plan costs $99 USD, and these are the features. There is also a monthly plan with $32 USD on starter, $54 USD on basic, and $109 USD on the pro plan. So after you log into Magic Bookifier, you will get this dashboard, and it is super simple, super user friendly. So if you have never used an AI tool before, you are not going to face any problem because after login, you are simply going to redirect it to this page, and then simply selecting the ebook creator, you have to give a book title and then the transcription, and then you can simply start writing your book. So something I should tell you is that there are some options that you can choose from this section. So the first one is ebook creator. So obviously if you want to write a book, this is the option you should use. And if you're writing a very long book, chapter creator is going to help you a lot. It lets you create a comprehensive chapter on your book. You just have to give a book title, the chapter title, and obviously the transcription. And there are some other options like the Magic ebook auto writer, long form writer, perfect blog, and writing coach. So the last three options are incoming. In the ebook creator, you can paste a transcription of 1,500 words. Magic Bookifier will deliver a 2,000 to 3,000 word draft, which is amazing. On the chapter creator, you can also paste 1,500 transcription, and it will deliver a 500 to 700 word chapter. So it is going to complete the whole chapter for you. And if your transcription is even bigger than 1,500, you can use the long form writer. So it is still upcoming, but once it arrives, you can paste a 10,000 words of transcription on this box, and the Magic Book Bookifier is going to deliver a draft of 15,000 to 20,000 words, which is simply amazing. So let's try the ebook creator. I already have a transcription, so let's paste it in this box. And as you can see, it is about productivity and it is also very short. Let's also give it a title, and then all I have to do is check this mark and then click on create my book and then click on your book. So as you can see, the book is currently being created. Keep in mind that the book creation process is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, so you will have to wait some time and then you can get a preview of your book. So our book is finally ready, and as you can see, there are also some chapters given by the Magic Bookifier AI, and this is the first chapter, and then there is the second chapter, the third chapter. So there are a lot of chapters, and it is simply amazing that in a short time I have already gotten a fully complete book, which is amazing. Since I do not have enough credits on my account, I cannot show you all the other chapters, and if your credits are not enough, you have to purchase them from this purchase credit section. So as you can see, this is the area where you need to come and then you can purchase your credits, and then you can go back to the library and click on your book to see what Magic Bookifier has prepared for you. Now let's try the chapter creator. For that I have to click on create book once again and then select chapter creator. So as you can see, I have given a title for my book and then the chapter name, since I am creating a chapter using the chapter creator feature, and then I have provided some information about the chapter. So let's see what I get from Magic Bookifier. Let's click on create my chapter. So the chapter creation process has been started. Let's wait for a while. So the chapter is now fully ready, and I provided a chapter of only 42 words, but as you can see, Magic Bookifier has fully completed the chapter, and let's see the words. So it is over 500 words. It is simply amazing how advanced Magic Bookifier is, and if you read the output, it is also very comprehensive and the quality of content is also up to the mark. So that was all about Magic Bookifier. I think it is an amazing tool, especially if you are a book writer, or in general if you are a writer, it is also going to help you a lot. And just providing a very short unorganized transcription, it is amazing how Magic Bookifier turns that into a fully complete book. So overall, I think it is a great tool, regardless if you are a writer or a book writer, or if you are dealing with any kind of writing tasks. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description box, and these are some of the plans that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you have any particular video request. We will try to cover that. So stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye.